Hi, this is Deanna Clayton. This is the introduction for my informal observation. This recording is of me coaching a new first grade teacher on how to complete the rubrics and evaluation portion of a DRA, a reading assessment. Hi, this is Deanna Clayton. This is my introduction to informal observation. This informal observation recording is me doing a coaching session with a new teacher that's new to the first grade team. I'm helping her understand how to complete a DRA, which is a reading assessment for her first grade students. She has already had training on the symbols that she needs to use to mark this assessment. I'm training her on how to fill out the rubric and to determine um, what level the student is, if they're at an instructional level or if they're an independent level. I'm also teaching her how to use the information to help her create small groups in her classroom. In this assessment, there are no students involved, so I will be reading as a student while the teacher completes the DRA, the running record, and comprehension portion. She will be making marks on the assessment for what I am saying, pretending to be a student. As we go through the DRA, she'll ask questions and I will give her some feedback and different advice. And then after we completed that portion, I will show her how to use the information and what she recorded to answer the questions and fill out the rubric on the back to determine the student's level. The domains that this video covers would be domain 2, 8, monitors and ensures staff uses multiple forms of student data to inform instruction and intervention decisions to maximize instructional effectiveness and student achievement. The reason that this applies is that I'll be showing her how to use the data she collects from this assessment to make small groups and to focus on what her students need to learn. Um, I'll also be touching on standard 3, 4, which is coaches and develops educators by conducting conferences, giving individualized feedback, and supporting individualized professional growth opportunities. This will be a considered professional development for this teacher. And at the end of the teacher, at the end of the video, since this was just a 15-minute observation, we set up a time to meet again to where she can do this assessment, perform this assessment with an actual student, with me observing, and then we can have a mini feedback session to see how comfortable she feels with it, and if she needs additional support. Thank you.